Dear students, see the next one from 9th standard, Force and Law of Motion chapter, NCERT exercise problem number 14. Please listen carefully. A bullet of mass 10 gram, okay, traveling horizontally with a velocity of 150 meter per second. So 10 gram bullet, 150 meter per second, strike a stationary wooden block, okay, and comes to rest in 0.03 seconds. Calculate the distance of penetration of the bullet into the block and also calculate the magnitude of the force exerted by the wooden block on the bullet. Okay, actually இந்த question என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா பாருங்க, so இது bullet, okay, the bullet mass is given, the mass is 10 gram, the bullet velocity is given, that is 150 meter per second. So here one block is there, this is the block, okay, some blocks are there, okay. Now this bullet is entered inside the block, so see that this is the bullet. Now this bullet enter inside the block, okay. Then after enter, that means after 0.03 seconds, you know that this is taken as initial velocity. So after 0.03 second, okay, it comes to rest. That means final velocity of the bullet is 0 meter per second. Okay. So now they are asking it's a penetrating distance. Okay. So how much distance traveled inside the bullet? Inside the block. So that distance we want to calculate. Yes. Okay. And then next one, the force exerted by the bullet. Okay. Sorry, again I made a mistake. Sorry. So the force exerted by the block. Okay. For example, it is the bullet. It is the bullet. It is the block. So now the bullet is hit on the block, as well as it will be penetrate inside the block. So that penetration distance, as well as you know very well, this actually this bullet is hit on the block. So that some opposite force exerted by the block. So that force is asking. So the force exerted by the block is asking. So okay, shall we find one by one? See that first I want to find the distance, penetration distance. Then second thing, the force exerted by the block. Okay. See the first one. So we know here initial velocity is there, final velocity is considered as 0. So the distance traveled by using equations of motion, you know, there is a relationship between velocity and position, that is v squared equal to u squared plus 2as. Therefore 2as மட்டும் இங்க இருக்கட்டும், u squared moving this side, minus u squared. So v squared minus u squared. Therefore s is equal to v squared minus u squared divided by 2a. So v value you know, so v value what? V value, that is 0 square, minus u value initial velocity 150, so 150 square divided by 2 into acceleration. But we don't know the acceleration, so we must find the acceleration first. So I can find the acceleration here. So please listen. So acceleration, you know, that is change in velocity divided by time. So acceleration, changing velocity, final velocity 0 minus initial velocity is 150 divided by time is 0.03. 0.03. So I can get acceleration minus 150 divided by 0.03. How we can write? Yes, 3 divided by 100. 3 divided by 100. This is 0.0. So the 100 is moving numerator. So minus 150, then 00 we can add. 100 divided by 3. Okay. So acceleration is equal to, see that here 1 time, in 15, 5 time. So after that 30. So minus 5000 meter per second square. So this is that acceleration of the bullet. This much acceleration, see that heavy value. Acceleration of the bullet. Okay. Why it's get negative sign means it is going to take rest inside the block. It's a decelerate. Okay. Right. So the next one. So we can write, therefore the distance covered, that is S is equal to minus 150 square, 0 square minus 150 into divided by 2 into A. Acceleration is what? Minus 5000. So now we can simplify the remaining steps. 0 squared is 0, so minus 150 square. So 15 into 15. Okay, so 15 into 15. Okay, so 5 into 15, 75. 1 into 15, 15. So 5, 225. So we can write minus 225. Then see that 150, 150. So 00 we want to add. So 00 we added. Then minus 2 into 5000. That is a 10,000. 10,000. So 00 cancel. Minus minus cancel. So S is equal to 225 divided by 100. 225 divided by 100. 225 divided by 100. So 2 decimal take. So we can write 2.25 meter. So the distance, penetrating distance inside the block is, that is 2.25 meter. Okay. So I hope that the first 2 point you understood. Okay. And then let's we go for the second one. So second heading is, now they are asking the force exerted by the block. So force formula you know, that is F is equal to ma. So F is equal to mass. Mass means what? That is the mass of the bullet. So mass of the bullet, so we can write, mass of the bullet, that is m is equal to 10 gram. But we should convert it into SI unit, that is in kilogram. So you know very well, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000, that is 10 power 3 gram. Therefore 1 gram is equal to 10 power 3 moving this side, 10 power minus 3 kilogram. So instead of 1 gram we can write 10 power minus 3. So I can write instead of this 1 kilogram, 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Okay, so m is equal to, this is actually 10 power 1. So 10 power 1 into 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 2 kilogram. 10 power minus 2 kilogram. Okay. So please listen. So now the mass value 10 power minus 2 kilogram. 10 power minus 2 kilogram into acceleration of the system acceleration of the system is what? 5000. Okay, 5000, that is a minus 5000. So now I can write F is equal to 10 power minus 2, or otherwise first we can write this number minus 5 into 10 power 3, because 5000 we can write 5 into 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 2. So F is equal to minus 5 into 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 2 is equal to 10 power plus 1. 10 power plus 1 is nothing but 10. So 5 into 10 is equal to 50. So minus 50 Newton. So the first one we found, the bullet penetrating distance inside the block is 2.25 meter. Like that. Next one, the force exerted on the bullet by the block is, that is minus 50 Newton. The magnitude is 50 Newton. Why it is minus sign? It is opposite to the bullet. The force exerted opposite to the bullet movement. So it is minus 50 Newton. Okay, students, I hope you understand.